In one of the last challenges, we were looking at spring business cleanup. And one of the tasks was, for example, to physically clean up our working space, literally physical space. Now, this new mini-series is about cleaning up or checking that everything is set up properly for our success, our mental and emotional space, our values, and the way we look at it. Is that set up properly for your success this year? So we'll be looking at fear of change and how to deal with change, how to look at what is your own definition of success. Are you set up for something that makes you happy or something that would make you more miserable? Hopefully happy. So tune in tomorrow for more.